Good afternoon. My name is Stephen Green with Green Label Title. I'm here this afternoon with Jeff Marchitello from Farmers Insurance, and we're going to be doing the Member of the Month for the Toms River Ocean County Chamber of Commerce. Jeff, so tell us a little bit about yourself and a little bit about Farmers.
Sure. Farmers, amazing company, brand new to New Jersey. We got here at the end of 2011. I have the Beechwood Farmers Agency. It's family owned and operated. We have 4 farmers agents out of that office. Farmers writes all lines of insurance except for health insurance. We specialize in auto, home, business, and life insurance predominantly, but we do have other lines such as umbrella policies, renters policies, workers' compensation, and it's just a great company. Yeah.
Do you specialize in any areas, Monmouth, Ocean County? Are you guys statewide?
No, I can absolutely write a policy in the entire state of New Jersey or Pennsylvania. Closer to the water, has some restrictions.
Excellent. So tell us a little bit about what the Chamber has done for you and what you think you can do for the Chamber and its members.
Sure. Well, I'm a newer member this year, and I've met a ton of great people, many wonderful small businesses, and I'm part of the membership committee. We have created a lot of wonderful programs such as the value card. And but yeah, it's a great committee, and I'm just proud to be a part of it. And we're just coming out with a lot of great programs. The website's getting a big overhaul, and it's really on the up and up. And I'm glad that I joined. Seems at a really good time right now.
And I can say for the members watching, Jeff has actually been a really instrumental part in the membership committee. He's done a lot for us. He's done a lot for the membership to provide value. So, Jeff, we thank you for that very much. You mentioned before talking about along the lines of water and how sometimes things can change a little bit. I know flood insurance is a hot topic right now. Is there anything that you'd like to tell our members or get across about things they might want to be aware about or things that you can help them out with?
Sure. Well, first off, if there's any members or anybody watching that would ever like me to sit down and give a free review, and I'd be more than happy to make any recommendations or take a look at that policy, take a look at it, see if I can fill any gaps or holes, make any recommendations, or even help them out with a farmer's policy. But speaking of flood insurance, I would just highly recommend that you not only have coverage for your building or your dwelling, but you also get contents coverage. There's some horror stories out there. The agent never told us about that. Our furniture and our contents were not covered. I'm sure we all know somebody with that circumstance, and it is unfortunate. It's only a few $100s more, if a maximum, to cover your contents. So I would just strongly recommend, if you are paying a lot of money for flood insurance, it's just well worth the few $100 extra to cover your contents inside. So it's a federal program. There's no competitive pricing, but I'd be more than happy to do a complete free analysis and review of it, or help anybody out or business out with any policies.
Sometimes a good policy to have can be pretty cheap, right, to insure yourself against
flood. A few $100 if you're in a preferred risk. They call it flood zone. Sure.
Excellent.
Absolutely.
Excellent. Well, Jeff, thank you very much.
Yep.
It was a pleasure conducting this interview today. Thank you, everybody, and goodbye from the Toms River Chamber of Commerce.